Hello, my name is Rashmi Biradar and this video is about question and answers of EVS chapters. Chapter 1, The Green Plants. Section A, choose the correct option for each of the following. In that first question, leaves are green in color due to presence of stomata, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, oxygen. So leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. So the correct answer is chlorophyll. Second question. The part of a leaf that attaches it to the stem or branch is called midrib, blade, petiole, vein. The correct option is petiole. The part of the leaf that attaches it to the stem or branch is called petiole. Third one, plants make their own food using carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, all of these. So correct answer is all of these because plants make their own food using carbon dioxide, sunlight and water. Fourth one, during photosynthesis, plants produce sunlight, sugar, carbon dioxide, all of these. So the correct option is sugar. During photosynthesis, plants produce sugar. Fifth question. Which of these substances do veins transport to and from leaves? Water, minerals, nutrients, all these things veins transport to and from leaves. So the correct option is all of these, that is water, minerals and nutrients. These substances are transported by veins to and from veins. Section B, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, the flat part of a leaf is called dash. Leaf blade. The flat part of a leaf is called leaf blade. Second one, tiny openings. It must be openings here. Tiny openings on the underside of leaves of plants are called stomata. So tiny openings on the underside of leaves of plants are called stomata. Third one, chlorophyll gives dash color to the plant. Chlorophyll gives green color to the plant. So due to chlorophyll pigment, leaves are green in color. Fourth one, plants give us dash to breathe. Plants give us oxygen to breathe. Fifth one, animals breathe out dash. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide. Now section C, match the following. Here column A, column B are given. You have to match column A with column B. First one is photosynthesis. It is a preparation of food by the plants. Photosynthesis is D, that is preparation of food by the plants. Second one, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is E, that is green pigment. Chlorophyll is a green pigment. Third one, veins. It is B. Veins transport substances. Fourth, midrib. That is C. Midrib is main vein of a leaf. Fifth one, petiole. Option A, that is attaches the leaf to the stem or branch. Petiole attaches the leaf to the stem or branch. Now section D, that is state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, the midrib branches into smaller structures called veins. It is true because midrib branches into smaller structures called veins. True. Second one, leaves need light to make food. This is also true because leaves need light to make food. It takes light from the sun. Third one, leaves give out oxygen through the veins. It is false. Fourth one, iodine changes the color of a leaf containing starch to red. It is also false because iodine changes to blue-black color whenever starch is present. Fifth one, animals do not depend on plants for food. So this is false. Why? Animals depend on plants for food. Sixth one, in a food chain, one organism is the food for another organism. One organism is a food for another organism. This is true. Section E, name the following. First one, bean-shaped structure that surrounds the stomata. That is guard cells. Bean-shaped structure that surrounds the stomata is guard cells. Second one, the pigment that helps plants in absorbing sunlight. That is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment that helps the plants in absorbing sunlight. Third one, the form in which the extra food is stored in the plant parts. That is starch. Starch is the form in which extra food is stored in plant parts. Fourth one, a gas which is the product of photosynthesis is oxygen. Oxygen is the gas which is the product of photosynthesis. Section F, give reasons for the following. First one, animals depend not only on plants but also on other animals. Answer, because omnivores depend on herbivores. Because omnivores depend on herbivores for their food. Omnivores depend on herbivores for their food to form a food chain. To form a food chain. So, animals depend on animals depend on other animals. Second one, water is transported from roots to leaves of a green plant. Answer, because water is taken by the roots and carried to the leaves. Because water is taken by the roots and carried to the leaves. Carried to the leaves by the stem to prepare a food. To prepare a food. Third one, the number of plants and animals must be balanced in nature. Answer, because of the number of either plants or animals, because of the number of either plants or animals increases or decreases suddenly this balance will be disturbed. Because of the number of either plants or animals increases or decreases, suddenly this balance will be disturbed. Fourth one, plants cannot make food without chlorophyll. Answer, because chlorophyll is very necessary to prepare food. Because chlorophyll is very necessary to prepare food, and it helps in trapping sunlight. For the process of photosynthesis. It helps in trapping sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Fifth one, a bleached leaf turns blue-black in color when iodine is added. Answer, because the portion of the leaf that was able to prepare its food and store starch. Because the portion of the leaf that was able to prepare its food and store starch. So the blue-black color indicates the blue-black color indicates the presence of starch. Because the portion of the leaf that was able to prepare its food and store starch. So the blue-black color indicates the presence of starch and is a positive result for starch test. Section G. Answer the following questions briefly. First one, what is the function of veins in a leaf? What is the function of veins in a leaf? Answer, the veins transport water, minerals and nutrients to and from the leaves of a plant. The veins transport water, minerals and nutrients to and from the leaves of a plant. Second one, how do stomata help a leaf? How do stomata help a leaf? Stomata help the plants to breathe. Stomata help the plants to breathe. Third one, what is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? The process in which green plants make their own food. The process in which green plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. The process in which green plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. Fourth question, explain the function of guard cells. Explain the function of guard cells. Answer, guard cells control the opening and closing of stomata. Guard cells control the opening and closing of stomata. Fifth question, what is a food chain? Give our own example of a food chain. Answer, the chain that shows how one organism is dependent on another organism. How one organism is dependent on another organism for its food is called food chain. The chain that shows how one organism is dependent on another organism for its food is called food chain. For example, grass is eaten by deer and this deer is eaten by lion. Section H. Answer the following questions. First question, explain the parts of a leaf with the help of a labeled diagram. Answer, for this one I will draw a leaf and mention its parts. This is a petiole and I will color it with green color. These are veins. So I will label other parts also. This flat part is called leaf blade. This is vein. And this is the midrib. Petiole, leaf blade, vein, midrib. So these are the parts of a leaf. So this figure indicates parts of leaf. In the question it is given that explain the parts of leaf. First one is leaf blade. So what is leaf blade? It is the flat part of the leaf. The flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. The flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina. It is also called as lamina. Second one, petiole. It is the part of a leaf that holds it to the stem or the branch of the plant. The part of a leaf that holds it to the stem. Part of the leaf that holds it to the stem or the branch of the plant. Next one, midrib. What is midrib? The leaf has a line at the center. Midrib is the leaf which has a line. Leaf has a line at the center is called midrib. Next one, veins. These are the lines present on both sides. Lines present on both sides of the midrib are called veins. Flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade. Petiole is the leaf that holds it to the stem. Midrib is the line at the center. Veins are the lines present on both sides of midrib. Second one, name the 4 things that plants use to make food. From where do plants get these things? Answer, 4 things that plants use to make food. 4 things that plants use to make food are carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and chlorophyll. From where does plant get carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide from the air enters the leaf through stomata. So it will get carbon dioxide from the air, enters the leaf through stomata. Carbon dioxide from the air enters the leaf through stomata. Next one is sunlight. Sunlight from the sun. Where does the plant get water? Water is taken by the roots from the earth. So water is taken by the roots and chlorophyll is present. Chlorophyll is present in the leaf. Third question, why is the interdependence of plants and animals important. Why is the interdependence of plants and animals important? Answer: the interdependence of plants and animals creates a balance in nature. The interdependence of plants and animals creates a balance in nature. If the number of either plants or animal increases or decreases suddenly, the balance will be disturbed. If the number of either plants or animals increases or decreases suddenly, this means the balance will be disturbed. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.